Hello, my name is Reagile Kopi. I'm back again for another audition, and this time I'll be doing a conclusion. As you all know, or well, some of you guys may not know, I used to do monthly presenting, which was a children's show at BTV for 3 years. That was 2005 to 2008. And during that time, I also got to present on My African Dream Talent Search. I got to present like in front of a very huge audience and also working around with the camera. It was a very great experience. And when I was doing Mantlaneng, I got to present on green screen and studio interviews, voiceovers. So I really got to learn more about this TV presenting. And right now, currently, I'm doing presenting at my church, Christian Revival Church, where I do the announcements. Last year, I was doing voiceovers at Jwaneng FM, and now I'm going to New York. Wow, what an awesome experience that was. If you don't believe it, that was actually from Botswana. Like, honestly, Botswana does have talent. If you at home are a New York hopeful, please come through to Cresta President Hotel every Saturday from 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. And maybe you're not as talented as some of us. You can always support Botswana, put Botswana on the map. Go to www.gemvote.com. And baby, this is Gemstones Season 2.